Hello, in this video, I'm going to tell you what to do if your Nokia 5 is heating up while charging. It's normal for your phone to heat up a bit when you're charging. However, if it's heating up excessively, you may want to either use a lower power charger, charge the phone in a cool and ventilated area, remove the case from your phone, possibly go into your app drawer and clear all to stop the apps from working, maybe turn off your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data to prevent them from drawing power while you're charging, and also do not use your phone while charging, because that may lead to power being used while it is being charged, which can heat up the phone excessively. Also remember to preferably use the original charger and cable. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.